So, hello?
Helo, croeso i chwarae. Ni'n mynd I chwarae Star Wars Connect. Alright, Duel of the Fates. Beth ti eisiau gwneud?
Mae'n lai ti.
Careful with your
Trio
selections.
fan.
I find some of these files are highly restricted.
The Ranker Rampage, Galactic Dance Off, Pod Racing, Jedi Destiny, Stan Empire options.
Duel of the Fates? Let's get in that.
Yeah, let's go!
Well, ni'n cael lightsaber, or ni'n cael lightsaber.
Mae
This
gen
will be
i,
priceless for Master Luke and his young Padawans.
like, you know,
We must check the footage
yeah.
first. Would
What?
you mind taking over, Commander? I personally find saber duels rather unpleasant.
Right,
Ni am lafi byd te?
Oh, come shoot. Ooh. I put na. Ooh, ni angen Magna Guard.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, okay, chwarae. We're just getting dim clems ydi chwarae hyn na.
Oh. Ooh. Eisiau mynd? Eisiau mynd? Ti eisiau mynd?
Move back. Wait, where's he?
Be sy'n chwarae te?
No idea. Where's he?
Le mae un ti?
Raise hand to join. Boof, boof. Oh, dyna fi.
Ie, dyna ti! Le mae ti? Fi methu gweld ti.
Dyna'n real big o fi sy'n digwydd.
Whoa. Ai, come on! Move back. O, fi just I jumper. O, fi rhaid gweld ti. Nudge. Beth y flip oed ni'n neud? Fi'n meddwl.
Oh my god, rwy'n ddim yn...
Hyn yn really galed. Search your dog
Rwy'n eisiau chwarae hyn.
Na fi.
Oh, wow. If you defend yourself. Oh, we defend ourselves. Yes. Yes. Come on. Sut fi'n attack off?
O,
Beth?
beth?
Dwi'n marw. Rwy'n ddim eisiau hynna.
Ie, fi'n meddwl ti an. Fi just I... What?
Great. Ah! Yeah, ti'n just gwneud hyn rhywun.
Woo! Ni yma.
Rwy'n ddim yn gwybod beth i gwneud. I'm so confused. Perfect.
That's a tiring ass.
Yeah, my right feet and
Blah,
my insole.
blah, blah. Chia, chia, blah. He wants me to mine, man.
Right. Oh! Oh my teeth. It's good. We're such a so floppy.
Yeah! Oh, he's selling it. Oh, come on, like, what the...
Ah!
Sorry.
Move left.
Blocker. Yes! Sorry.
Ah! Hey! My Magna Guard. You're now trying to help.
Un fi'n, like, most down.
Ah, come on.
Oh!
Defend yourself. Ah! Rocks!
You might be getting out. Yes! Whoa!
Come on! What? What? Sit in the beat of 2 and eat. Ah! Finish him. Slice and dice. Yay! Sit in the beat of 2 and eat.
Sorry, didn't draw.
Right, second main menu.
Continue.
Na! Fi'n mysio chwarae hwnna eto.
Ie, fi'n meddwl fi'n dechrau deall beth i'n neud yn dim yn hwnna.
Brilliant. Brilliant, just swing up. Gwneud pod race.
Yes.
Pod racing!
Ni yma yn yr oen, ni. Quick play.
Oh, I'm quite sure you do find them interesting and likable. You refurbish
2
the reprobate.
players.
2 play. Oh, okay. Great.
Oh, that's so cool. Start race. Ah.
Right, let's go. Edit your fear.
Boosting is the most effective at the start.
Jump in the door lid.
Jump in the dolly. Beautiful.
What? We are top knee free. Right, left. Top knee left. Top knee green.
Top knee left. Reach forward, grab,
Oh, we are top.
grab the handles. Oh god.
Hey!
Ah!
Oh, right, KB did that.
I don't get it.
Some of them were great. Oh no, VR reload. No.
Richie?
VR reload!
Push it up.
No, VR top.
This is usually where you see rookies
Richie,
in
there's
the
another.
canyon. You're gonna slow
Oh!
down racers and
Ah,
assist
look.
the race to
I
get
fell in.
Yeah.
Pull one back.
Oh no, yeah, I'm out.
Pretty well there. Oh my god. Oh my god. My pod racing thing.
Land jump.
Vim. Woo. I'm concentrating now. We've got
Racers
4-1
are
on
just
feature.
coming into Mushroom Mesa. Usually a good time to hit that boost.
16 poops.
Yeah, just a fender bender.
It's a big boost.
Oh, whoa, big sippy knee, whoa.
That bull takes the lead. That's
Ah!
Wall rats have been sighted up ahead. It's gonna be hard for our racers to avoid them.
Oh, best thing with you.
That's it. Yes.
Come and do flat.
Vietnam line! Vietnam line!
Jack takes the lead.
Oh, what?
Whoa, bit of an vehicle,
You
B.
wanna watch yourself out there, Wall rats.
VR tan.
I got you got rats. Ah! Yeah, my rats on
Racers
me.
are
I
gonna try to make up
Huh?
time for the desert
know, I'm gonna bite their engine.
Get up. We just keep blowing up.
to the limit.
Fuck my engine. Stupid rats. It's a team booster. I didn't enjoy it.
Pulling out all the stops now.
Ah.
And they're in the whip. Those
Woo.
games are coming up fast, folks.
Oh my god, Mike. What are you craving?
Ouch!
Really,
Welcome
really
to
going on.
pod racing.
Pod racing. What call it? We call pod racing game. I got PS2.
Hello.
Yeah.
You're off your PS.
There's one you can
Up,
tell
up.
them about it.
No, no, it isn't my PS2. Sorry.
Those tunnels are like the belly of a
Yes,
beast.
Nah.
Everyone gets out
Never
alive.
been arcade game.
Okay.
I'm really sure. Oh, my safety.
Uh-oh, pilot. Looks like some Tusker Raiders have set up camp along the
Boost,
canyon
boost,
wall.
boost.
Are they firing? Whoa, boy! They certainly are!
Oh, come on.
Cheaper than a
Oh,
major
what a-
overhaul, friend. Where'd all the droids come from, race fans?
What? What the droid? Oh, race fans.
He'll be pulling a droid out of his
Fair enough.
grill for a week.
Well, you just gonna them climb.
We have some white knuckle racing here today. Anyone who can get some speed through these last hard turns will have an advantage.
Oh,
Right, boost. Boost.
Almost there.
Yes.
so guess what? Guess a bit.
We meant you don't try it at least.
That's a bit better.
Yeah, I know. One, you may be able to take it back, right?
Oh, fair.
Oh, we don't know it. No, we don't.
Boost!
Rama!
Final boost!
Boost. Boost.
Come on!
That's a
Woo!
win for
Oh, nah.
Charlie.
Yeah!
Shreddy.
That's a win at
Suck
the
it,
Los
Anakin.
Raceway. Great job,
TDM,
racer.
Oh, final position in. Ah!
That's all from Toddy
TSN one
and
per five.
hop
Yeah.
on Amantha and make like a Tuscan Raider.
Goes with a
Does that
level.
even make sense?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Hey!
Don't have
You
V
try
Shreddy.
that
Hey, yeah,
yourselves,
Vincent.
race fans.
Hello, Anakin. I mean, actually,
What's your name?
Anakin's pod race.
Perhaps that's a new dam.
It's your, it's my name. Hotline.
They're really hamming
Hotline.
it up down there.
Hotline. Used to call me
Wait.
on
This
that.
is East Wakabi. Signing off.
Dim da.
Ras. A newid cwrs. E ti ddim yn mynd.
And they're off.
Yeah.
All pods are moving off the starting line. Butane is cheaper than a major overhaul, friend. What a crowd. Nobody loves hard racing like Owens and Stein. Racers are making their way through the business district.
Come here, Tan Barrow.
Harder from
Yeah.
here, ladies and gentlemen.
It's just stupid. Oh no.
Odie Mandrell takes the lead.
You say Philly.
Just a
Yeah,
minor scrape.
Hey, guess what? Rwy'n
Fi 'di
cynta!
curo.
From the jump racers.
O, rwy'n cynta.
Dwi'n curo.
O, goblin,
Here
dwi'n
goes everybody. And to the Raptors.
Yeah, oh, I'm good.
They're making their way towards the tunnel. Things get pretty twisty in there, and the smart buddies on the racers who can make those controlled turns. Ew, what a move!
Oh, no!
Cha-chi-jack takes the lead.
Bye-bye!
Pods are approaching some tripwires up ahead. At these speeds, they're going to have to time their jump pretty well to avoid them.
Oh, what?
Can't jump here.
Jump here. Beth yw'n meddwl? Oh, bloody hell, mate.
Oh, no! Who invited Joinicus?
Separatists are on it.
Hey, Racer!
Actually, I just-
shortcut to action.
Oh, remember from the real
Oh, what? 52!
Racers are coming up on the shopping district. Oh, Bruce takes the lead.
Oh, quiero planto vi!
No major damage, but a hit is a hit. Odie Mandrell takes the lead.
Right,
Hey.
this
Pulling out all the stops now.
Dwi'n mynd i ennill, man. Oh my god! Beth yw'n ar y peth? Am i'n repair fi, neu?
Oh!
Whoa! No!
Never finish that.
It's
Finish
the
that.
Sora Swarm, ladies and
Yeah,
gentlemen.
man.
General Grievous
Ah.
must be in the crowds watching the race today. Almost there. Almost there.
Beth ydyn ni'n mynd? Beth yw'n mynd?
There's one you can tell them about it
Ash!
in the office tomorrow, people.
Ow!
Whoa!
And that's a win for a
Ah,
tie.
come on!
Getting that?
Well, sort of posing demonstration.
You still call me on that one?
I'll have to try that myself. Feel free to
Oh,
try
I
it
didn't
out
put-
yourselves, race fans. This is Fode,
Este Wakabi.
signing off.
Dance off.
This my ship. All the
Wait,
girls
what?
stomp your feet like this. A few times I've been around this track and like that I'm going and I'm lightning fast.
I need join them. I need meeting.
I ain't no
Yeah.
hologram girl. A few times I've been around this track and like that I'm going and I'm lightning fast 'cause I ain't no hologram girl. I ain't
No hologram girl.
It's my ship. It's my ship.
It's my ship. It's my ship.
Shit!
It's my ship. It's my ship.
It's my ship.
It's my ship.
Heard that you were dogging
Shit.
ships and you didn't think that I would hear it. People hear you bragging like that, get the engine binders fired up. So I'm ready to attack, gonna lead the pack, gonna make a touchdown, gonna take you out. That's right, put your blasters down, get the engine binders fired up. A few times I've been around this track and like that, I'm going and I'm lightning fast 'cause I ain't no
Commander. Smash. Hyn o'r twch. Hyn o'r twch. Ti'n rhaid. Is that Princess Leia?
So that's right, Hunt, meet me at the track. No dirty tricks, no hidden attack. All of us wanna be the winner, but there can only be one. So I'm gonna fly, gonna give it my all, gonna make you fall. You just a slow. That's right, I'm the last one standing, another one bites the dust. A few times I've been around this track, and like that I'm going, I'm walking fast. I ain't no hologram girl. A few times I've
I'm
been
gonna get it. It's not so. What can I tell?
Ain't no hologram girl.
It's my shit, it's my shit. It's my shit, it's my shit. It's my shit, it's my shit. It's my shit, it's my shit.
Pose bonus. Damn.
Wyt ti di ennill pose move? That's enough. Hold on, T-Dog.
Pwy di ennill? Yn fi wedi ennill? Oh!
Oh, combined.
All combined. Da iawn. All-round girl, casual. Bouncy bounty hunter.
Right, well, pobl yn cerdded, so yn rhoi ni bant o thing.
Rank, bouncing bounty hunter. Alright, ni'n mynd i handle fel lan i'r pobl nesaf nawr.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Did you find your
Very
R2D2?
well, let's resume.
Yeah.
Master
Ben.
Yoda.
Well,
Thing.
let's get started then. I just didn't think it would happen this soon.
Just Make you back floppy.
Oh.
Hey!
Hey.
Mae'n eitha dywyll.
Ready yourselves. Their staffs are deadly.
Dwi'n os ti'n sefyll fel cymryd cam ymlaen, mae fe'n mynd mewn i nhw. O fa. A ti'n gallu mynd fel na i fel...
Oh, right. Oh, sorry. Back on. To the
Just hurry! The Wookiees need our help launching the fluttercraft.
Yeah, do that.
O'n i angen neidio ar y thing yna.
Yeah.
Move quickly, the Wookiees need our help. Follow me, Padawans. Watch for more droids from below.
Thing yw, mae gyda nhw'n gyniau, so ti'n meddwl bod e bach yn anheg. Mae modd fel blocio, mae'r saith yn mynd nôl, ti'n modd, fel y bwled yn mynd nôl.
Oh, yeah.
Jump down now.
Yeah.
Clear the way.
Slap over.
Cicio fe, ti'n gallu cicio nhw hefyd.
Sit through another.
Get to the fluttercraft.
Dilyn Chewbacca.
Oh no!
Can you stand? We have to get off this platform. It won't hold much longer.
Neidio.
Zip line on the far end. We have to reach the next platform. This platform won't hold that much longer.
Alright, that's the move I don't want. What's that?
Neu falle jyst defnyddio brachiau ti.
No, we'll go
Our
further.
only chance if we want to turn this around.
Oh, yeah, we'll go further.
Ti'n kick that?
Oh!
Swipe those Trinoceans and get your shit.
Yes, you should.
I didn't think how far I went.
All right. Any minute
Okay,
now,
minute.
we're going to be overrun. You've got to call reinforcements.
Yeah! Yeah!
I need to get
Spero
We'll go through this quick one.
more than I control this second attack. We'll hold out until
That's the tiro. That's an hour.
Yeah! Yeah! Alright. No,
Yeah, lunge.
no them.
Gwylio. Neidio.
Skippy the kangaroo. Oh, Skippy.
Ie, ti'n gallu blocio nhw, ond mae'n brifo nhw nôl. Ei, rili. Os ti'n mynd i'r llaw arall, ti'n fel symud nhw.
Yeah.
Ti'n gweld Star Wars am y tro cyntaf dau nos yn ôl? Ie.
Well, dwi heb weld Rogue One eto, felly gobeithio dim spoilers yn y
Na,
gêm.
na.
Oh, God.
A fi wedi gweld yr un diwethaf cyn
Ie.
Rogue One.
Yeah, dwi ddim ond just i weld yn.
Ie.
Oh, dyn man. Oh, no, ffos.
Dwi'n neidio dros y tren. Oh gosh.
Dwi ddim yn siŵr, dwi'n credu na. O da.
Ti'n jyst pigo nhw fyny, mae'n andrwydd.
Eh.
Dwi'n gollon nhw, maen nhw'n marw.
Yeah. Chwarae Star Wars.
Ti'n teimlo'n eitha pwerus yn ei, man? Actually, no, mae rai mawr ti'n methu wneud hynny.
Starlight now. When is it good? Yeah. Get it.
Yn byd, ie?
Blurry.
Na.
Blurry. Ah, blimey, Ewoks.
So beth mae'n dangos? A fel yna.
Oh, yeah.
O,
Yeah.
a fi yw'r un... O swapio lle dde? Ti'n dod fan hyn? Ne.
Oh, I'm doing something wrong.
Mae hwnna'n gweithio'n dda.
Mae'n good. Yeah! Bydd octopus yn dda iawn ar. Oh no. Oh,
Sorry. Sorry.
Rhywbeth newydd. O, wait, diolch.
Right, pwy dwi?
Fi yw'r fenyw, wrth gwrs.
Right, okay. Fi'n siŵr mae... A da ni.
Dwi'n siŵr mae hwnna'n poenus iawn i wylio.
Yes.
Pobl yn fethu chwarae gêm.
Yeah.
Ti erioed wedi gweld plentyn yn ceisio chwarae gyda Lego?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Ond ti beth i chwarae Lego yn anghywir?
Dibynnu beth ti'n gweld bits.
I suppose, yeah. Great. Come on. Come on, ddim...
Son fath.
Pwy sydd yn ferch then?
O, wait.
Falle.
Fe.
Tropi lle.
O, na. Fe newydd yn un o'r gym.
Ie.
Na, chwarae stafell.
Wel... Eg ni o.
No, poenus. O, dwi'n marw.
Dwi'n mynd i neud...
O,
Ydyn nhw'n fi neu ti? O, hwnna'n ti. Ie. Mae'n gwell, actually, heb pethau yn dwylo ti.
o, beth? Digon byr.
O, pam ni'n marw ni?
Right, dwi'n glywed rawr. Am I ddim?
Na,
Dwi'n ôl.
Pigo funny.
O,
No! O. Dyma ni. Ia!
Pokeballs.
O ie. Fel pobl.
Yeah.
O!
Sick of it. Right. Limbo. Dun, dun, dun.
Gwan, ni angen pigo'r Pokeballs a taflu nhw. O na, fel na, dyna pam.
No spices.
O, dyna good. A dyna pam, achos mae fe wedi pigo fe fyny fel rhywun chwyth.
Mae hyn fel, ti'n cofio ar marwolaeth Nelson Mandela? Na, di ti'n gwybod, jyst meddwl yn.
Fi ddim yn cofio.
A falle nid Nelson Mandela.
Lawr! O!
Ydy mynd nhw? O. Na, rwy'n cyffwrdd y llaw.
O, dyna fe, achos fi ddim yn chwyth fel arfer. Be sy'n digwydd?
Right.
Dyma ni nôl am achos. Da ni just swapio gyda... Right, ni lawr nawr. O, ni...
Right, dim ond.
Na, rhaid swapio nawr.
Sut mae hwn yn stop? Cut o fe.
What are you doing? Oh. Da.
Oh, na.
Oh.
Mae'n creu bod fi llaw chwith.
What are you doing? Ow.
Oh.
Alright then. What's Cynthia?
Oh.
What? Doing down land fel unrhyw beth? No.
Na.
Oh, ti'n
Na,
duck
iawn
off.
neidio i credu. Dros yma.
Oh, dwi'n think need duck on it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
super jump. Dwi'n neidio,
Right,
ready?
neidio yn union.
Hysha! No, don't think duck off. No. Super.
Yeah.
On.
Oh,
Yeah. Ooh, back.
Cool.
Right.
Sy'n siŵr.
Oh. No, I use this hand. It's forcey. Oh,
Oh, na.
Sut ti'n fel pause o fe?
Sy'n siŵr.
Okay. So you're going to duck off. Oh, you can't have a force hand on it. Sut ti'n hwnna?
Oh,
Sut ti'n fel a force hand?
Oh, yeah.
Hi-da-da! Force-da!
Right low.
Ydy fel tawn i fe mewn... What?
Whoa.
Sut ti'n fel
Mae
pause
gêm
o
hon
hyn?
yn arol.
Pause!
Ti'n mynd y ffordd arall yn rhywbeth. Trio off y cw.
No, dwi'n credu wedi gallu fel dewis pa ffordd i'n mynd. O! Ti'n gallu pause o fe neu rhywbeth? Ydy hyn wneud unrhyw beth? O, beth oedd yna? O, na, ddim hwnna. Sy'n deall sut i pause o fe. Okay.
Na i just trio. Gyda'r ddau ma.
Ie, dwi'n gweithio.
Dim syniad dwi'n sy'n Ti'n ei neud wneud eitha da.
Ydy hyn fel serif mewn ffordd
Ie, fi
special.
dwi'n siŵr ni. Falle neidio neu rhywbeth.
Ti'n chwarae?
Wel, ie, sut ti'n pause o fe?
O, right.
Bod arall.
Dwi'n siŵr. Let's try about this.
Is that-
Good hint, yeah, you got right.
Sut ti'n fel y force thing?
Yeah.
O, hynna fi.
Hey!
Hey!
Oh, too close.
Quit. O, hynna fi. o. Helo, ni yma nawr. Dwi'n T.R.G. Dafydd, a dyma.
Tad ci.
Fel, a ni'n chwarae pod racing mewn Star Wars. Os ti'n gallu slepo fe. Ti wedi gweld y ffilm newydd Rogue One?
Na, wyb.
Na.
Ti'n fan mawr o Star Wars?
Dwi yn, nes i gweld Rogue One, dim yn credu iddyn rhy dda.
Na, sort o adlygiadau gati, dyn nhw ddim wedi gweud bod y ffilm yn rhy dda.
Wel, yn licio fe, ond ddim yn fel dda fel Star Wars ffilm.
Ie, fel ffilm ar ben ei hunain,
Ie,
mae'n iawn.
ie. Ond roi teitl Star Wars, ti'n gofyn lot fel. Okay, so hyn yn symud, gallu neidio, duck o, na, sy'n gwybod eto. Reach forward and grab the handle start. Bad. Oh, dwi'n mynd i... What? Oh, dwi ar top o bottom. Beth sy'n digwydd fan hyn? Ble ydw i nawr? Ble ydw i? Ah, reit, dwi'n gweld.
reit.
Okay. Ta'n neud i fel hyn?
O, iawn. O, wy'n gweld nawr.
So os ydym mynd mewn ffordd, angen gwythio y llaw arall ymlaen.
Ie, fi'n deall.
Okay.
Ti'n meddwl fwy ni'n karate neu rhywbeth.
Yeah. O! Hwnnw bach yn tight. Be di'n mynd fan hyn? Come on, rhywun sad. Oh, mae rhywun yn seithi fi.
Sut ni'n seithi?
Not sure. Whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh. Oh, no. Okay, can I slow down? Oh, we call speed boost fan hyn. Woo! Fel, gwythio dod ti'n o flaen yn cyflym, y dau o nhw, ti'n gallu cael fel speed
O
boost.
ie, wel.
Os ti'n tynnu nhw nôl, mae'n arafu ti lawr. Dwi'n cael fel rhywbeth yn sound i fi. Di hwnna? Na, just fel unwaith yn
Oh, right.
fel really cyflym. Dyna fe fel zoom o mewn i'r beth.
Wyla i nawfed.
Fel, hana.
Waa!
A fel dal nhw'n ymlaen. Fel just gwasg, fel just force nhw forward fel. Yeah, there you go.
O, i gweld.
Oh, laser grid. Beth ni fod hyn fan'na? Na.
Bas.
So ti'n... O! O, ti'n gallu neidio?
Ddifri.
Ie, os ti'n... Na, ddim fel hwnna. Just o'n y dwylo ti lan, ti'n neidio.
O, ie.
O, na! Lord o rhaliau fan hyn. God. Y brec ar fi'n brifo.
Ie, os ti'n
Ah,
mynd
get off!
guns mawr.
There we go. I got him off. Ah! Get off me! They're kind of cool though.
Wedi.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. There we go. Good boy.
Beth yw'n hwnna fan e?
Oh, na, ffordd yna. Sy'n cofio sut i troi, wedyn ni? Mae mwy na lai jyst yn gyrru ti yn y ffordd gywir anyway.
Ie, mwy na lai. Mae'n haws na fel gêm e.
Ah!
Sio arferol, fi'n credu.
Yeah. Oh, sydd... Wel, dwi jyst yn gyrru mewn i popeth fan hyn.
Fi'n just troi Corneli. Gyrru rownd.
Ah, beth? Fi'n rhaid i dod o. Come on. Whoa, beth oedd hwnna? Just fel headband dros y sgrin. Oh,
O, fi...
dwi di ennill.
Chweched.
Come on, ti pumed. Go, go, go.
Ah!
Tengi fel gwasgu'r broich, dde ti'n mynd y chwith.
Pumed, yma?
Sa'n siwr. Rwydde fan'na.
Cer i weld. Ie, pumed.
Pumed. Da iawn.
Ddim yn ffôl.
Dwi actually neud hyn.
Ydy? Ie! Ble mae'r champagne?
Get it down.
Wych.
Ti'n cysau unrhyw un o Star Wars?
Jar Jar Binks falle.
Ie, Jar Jar Binks.
It's y person arferol i gysau.
Ie.
Mae'n gwyd person cymeriad i fe.
Ond dwi'n fel lico i cysau y cymeriad.
Ie.
Mae fel jokes amdano fe'n da.
Hwna'n wir.
Squats.
Ww.
Ti wedi pwyr da.
Stw o lle.
Yn barod. Let's go. Go forwards. Wait, ydw i'r top o'r gwylio, ti'n cofio?
Fi ar y top.
Okay, yeah, dwi'n cofio. Oh, she's just gyrru trwy fel rhywbeth. Na, ti'n gyntaf.
Rhywsut?
O, reit, ti'n cael boost bar ar y gwaelod dde o'r dy sgrin.
O, iawn.
A pryd mae hwnna'n mynd lan, ti'n gallu boost o'n yn gyfle.
Ah, wy'n deall.
Oh. Be?
Pumed. O, be?
Pedwerydd. Ti angen tam o'r boosts yna, herwydd maen nhw'n angen amser i recharge o'n
Ie,
llawn.
just amser i fi yn wael ar un y bryd.
Ble dwi'n mynd? O, ffordd hyn, oce. O, ble dwi'n mynd?
Lawr i ddegfed.
ydy mos actually sy'n ein... Ie, ma'n rhywun gweud o. Dwi'n credu. Na, dwi ddim mos actually, sy'n dwi? Ble mae Annie yn ras o'n un gyntaf?
Wel, fi ffili cofio. Wedi bod yn spel ers fi weld...
Ie, a fi. O, dwi'n ffyd.
Rhywun i adael sylwadau.
Ie, gadael sylwadau yn y gweilod.
Ie.
Pa planet oedd...
Cer i Wikipedia neu IMDb neu rhywbeth.
Pa planet oedd Annie'n ras arno yn ffilm gyntaf? Neu ffilm pedwerydd, hang on.
Dibynnu yn gronolegol neu just yn ôl y stori.
Ie, wel, yn gronolog neu
Ie.
fel beth yw'r release order.
Ie.
Dwi ddim yn cofio hyn o hyn. Dwi ddim yn siŵr os oedd Mos Eisley.
O,
Ar Mos Eisley yn blwyddyn mynd mewn episode 4. Not sure. Dwi ddim rili'n gwylio'r prequels.
Fi mor dwp.
Ti dreadol. Get off!
Right, nawr. Ni'n gallu neidio dros fe?
Dwi'n gallu neidio dros pethau, ie.
O, reit.
fel-
Carry on.
Ond ti gallu mynd o dan nhw, mae fel... Os ti'n ffolo'r llinell gwyrdd, dyna'r ffordd thing yn mynd.
O, reit.
Hwna'n mynd yn gwyrdd. O, bron ma na. Come on.
O, na ni.
Ble ti Sybylfa? Oh, she's way mewn y lead. Woo! Dwi ennill.
Olaf.
Ti dal yn rasio. Ti'n cwrdd y llinell eto. Race will end in 17 seconds. Bron ma na, mae just fel round y cornel i nesaf.
Wy'n mynd i orffen y ras.
Go on. Mae'n gwybod ti'n trio nofio.
Wy'n...
Oh, bron.
O, be?
Ydy o'n. Bentha Poodoo. Poodoo! Yeah!
Ie, llongyfarchiadau.
Certainly having fun down there.
Oh, fi'n neud e.
Macarena.
Ti'n neud y Macarena.
This is forward. He's there, Walkerby.
In a moonwalk. Whew, right.
Nes i ddechrau'n dda tro diwetha, o
Ie.
wedyn, just colli
Ie.
rhythm, colli siarp.
Ti'n tro digyn yn y llinell gwyrdd?
Ie.
Yn fel recommended path i cymryd. Dwi'n gallu neud e 3 am 3. I'm in. Dim work. Dwi'n mynd i'r ffordd anghywir.
O, fydd e.
Oh, lawr y canol. Lawr y canol. Oh, get out of my way. Beautiful. Lovely job. Yn edrych bach fel pod Annie, dwi'n credu. Ooh. Get out of my way. Ow. O, hyn y bach yn anodd.
Ie, mae fe ddechrau yn...
Ah! Oh, what? Hwnnw ddim yn fair. Fydd yn mwy tewn na fi'n. Pwyd mas o'r ffordd. O, na
Fi'r flan ti.
Be?
Wi ar y frig nawr yn ail nawr.
O, dwi'n meddwl ti just tu ôl i fi, ie? Hwnnw'n ti
Ie,
bwrw mewn i
ail.
fi. O, come on then.
Amdani.
Get away.
O, be? Ni ddim yn rhydd dda.
Ti angen...
Droi Cwneli, ti'n meddwl.
O, ie, hynny'n bach yn anodd. Oh my god, mae fel fights yn digwydd yn cwmpas y pen.
Mae'n rhagol am ymlaen.
Ti yn dweud tu ôl i fi am...
Ie,
reit tu ôl i fi. loads o fel oriau wedi chwarae gêm o'r rasio.
Marfer da.
Ie. O! Hwna na. Bydden nhw'n brifo. Come on. Oh, Spiky Kings. Oh, what? Ni'n mynd y Sarlacc pit? Ah! Oedd Cornel fan'na. Nes i ddim sylweddoli.
Odds are making their way to the last series of tours before they reach the finish line.
O, ni bron ar llinell gorffen.
Bron o boards.
O, ble mae'r llinell?
Ah!
Ble mae'r llinell?
O na! Yn drydydd
Fan
nawr.
hyn dwi'n meddwl. Yes! O, go on, mae fan'na! Mae'n fan'na! O, mor agos. Ti'n mor agos i ail.
Trydydd. O wel, we ar y podium.
Ti yn? Na, da ni gallu neud dawns.
Ie.
Smell you later, Felicia.
Smell you later, god, dwi'n cwylwyd yn blynyddoedd.
Rhaid dwi'n barod i ddawnsio.
Pa dawns ti'n mynd i wneud? Dwi'n eisiau neud y moonwalk, really, is that? Oh, well,
O ie!
Oh. Torri pethau.
Ie.
Ti'n cael fel... Ti'n cael problem o that shit yna, ti'n wedi as well. Woo! Woo! Hada! Let's need a split.
Ie.
Oh,
Right.
Ti'n dweud am jeans.
Amser am...
Pa mor agos. Oh, dim pwynt 2 eiliad.
Ie, wel, oedd hwnna, twyd.
Da iawn.
Be 4 eiliad.
Oh, right, dyna gyd ni wedi wneud Star Wars.
Wych.
A ni'n knackered. Right,
Ie.
gweld ti yn y fideo nesaf. Tara.
Hwyl am y tro.